All right, today we're going to talk about rational functions. Emphasis on the F to the U to the N. Fun. Does the word fun remind anyone else about that SpongeBob episode? Yeah, okay. Anyway, rational functions. So let's make sure that we understand what rational means. It says a rational function is any function that can be defined by a rational fraction, i.e. an algebraic fraction, such that the numerator and denominator are both polynomials. So anytime that I tell people what rational functions are, I just want us to remember that a rational function, see what I did there, is a poly over a poly, a polynomial over a polynomial. Remember that polynomials have positive whole number exponents. So look at this wide variety of polynomials. So these are all polynomial functions, but we want to know which ones are rational functions. So what I'd like you to do right now is I'd like you to put me on pause, take a minute to kind of look through them, and then maybe circle or star the ones that you think are rationals. Pause me. Okay, so let's see if you're right. So f of x is a rational function that's a polynomial over a polynomial. H of x, same thing here, a poly over a poly. Not g of x, we'll come back to y. M of x is a polynomial over a polynomial. N of x is not, we'll come back to y. P of x is, Q of x is also, and T of x is as well. So you might be wondering, like, okay, well, first of all, why are these Q of x and T of x polynomials, or sorry, rationals? It's just a polynomial. Well, technically, these are both over 1, and 1 itself is a polynomial. So these two work. You might be wondering, well, how come P of x is a polynomial? You got the square root in here. But it's square root of a number, not square root of x. So this is just a number. This works. So I ask you guys for the functions that are not rational, explain why. And I'm going to kind of leave that up to you to kind of figure out why, but I'm going to give you a hint as to why. But you have to explain in words. Also, notice green and gold. Woo woo, go pack. Okay.